Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew with an update on the MLC Porsche 4 Invitational on the occasion of my YouTube channel's 4th anniversary. It's an annual event, and it's only a month away now, so there's still time for you to join in on the biggest customs giveaway of the year. The theme is Porsche, but the main focus is to pay it forward. All participating builders are eligible for several prizes again this year. Shipping is global, as there are entries from all around the world. Join in with these talented builders and be part of something special. Leave a comment below if you'd like to be added to this list as a participating builder. Here's all you've got to do. Pick any Porsche casting in any scale size and customize it however you wish. The upload date for your videos or pictures is March 16th. Even if you don't have a social media platform, just be sure to send in some glamour pics to this email address, and remember, most importantly, pay it forward by giving your Porsche away. Don't forget to use the hashtag MLC Porsche 4 in the title or description of your upload. I sure hope you'll join in. If you haven't decided to yet, please do. See you on March 16th. It's coffee time.